It's a beautiful mid-April day here. We're in Northern Ontario. Okay, let's go for a tour. I'm going to talk a little bit about gravel today, but I live on a gravel road, so right now I'm just worried about mud. There you see a bit of sand beyond the turn. There is quite a bit of sand now. As we turn, look at the sand here. If I took that at any sort of speed, I'd end up right on the side of my bike. So, besides sand on the corners and sand in the intersections, the other main concern in early spring for me, well, we have the potholes. So there's three. There's lots of potholes in this part of the country. Other drivers, okay, that's maybe number one right now at this time of the year, is automobile drivers that haven't seen a bike in 5 or 6 months out on the road. They have to get used to looking for us. I'm slowing right down here. Look at this corner. It's wet, it's potholes, it's sand on top of terrible pavement. Automobile drivers pulling out, especially pulling out of maybe a fast food or a gas station parking lot, they haven't been looking for small vehicles like a motorcycle in quite a while. So they have to get used to spotting us again. So, you know, have your finger ready on your horn. If you got to give them a toot, you got to wave your arm. If you got to apply your brakes, you got to get ready and be ready to evade if you have to. And have a look at that intersection. If you were turning that corner, it's a little dicey.